This will be one of the exam questions. So let me tell you how to do this. First, it's a Pythagorean theorem question. So let's start with the Pythagorean theorem. C square equals A square plus B square. I need to see this formula almost in every question you will see at the exam on Friday. So when you see a Pythagorean theorem, write that down. And then let's figure out which one is A, which one is B, which one is C. So the most important is C across from the 90 degree. Let's write that down. 45 square equals, now AB never matters here, right?
Yep.
So let's pick up this as A, but please remember I did not circle the X. I circled the 3X. Together everything is A. So instead of A, I'm gonna write down 3X, but I need the square for the A. So if you do X square, that's not complete A. Complete A is 3X. So you have to square both of them. Plus B is 4X. Let's write down 4X. Alternately, you can square both of them like that. It will work. This means the square goes there, the square goes here, or just like that, write it separately. Whichever works for you. So let's continue. 45 square. I have no idea what that is. $2,025. 2025 equals, now 3 square, I need to calculate that. 9 x plus, I just made a mistake. Thank you. You need this. 4 square is, yes, 16 x square. And I need you to pay attention here. Sometimes with the question between 15 and 20, you will have 20x square equals 500 plus 2x square. Why we have this? Because apples are on both sides. And this is orange alone. And looking at here, apples, both x square, they are on the same side. You don't have to send to one side to the other. They are on the same side. And with some questions, you will have 500 equals 100 plus 2x square. This time, you only have one type of apple. You have oranges this time. On different sides, you have to bring them together. So we'll go that at another time, but right now, let's focus on our question. 9, not x square, I'm going to call apples plus 16 apples equals to 25 apples. Now, I'm going to leave the apples alone. To do that, I'm going to divide with 25. So now what is x square actually? 81. I believe you. 81. I am never interested in x squares. I don't want to know what the x square is. I want to know what is x. Square root. This is no longer x square because I just got the square root. It is x. 9. 9 meters.
9 m.
Done. So this is one of the toughest questions at the exam you will see, but we have a different type of question for the exam as well. This is a word question. Everyone, with the word question, when you read a sentence, when you read words in a question, I need three things. Number one, let's use a different color. Number one, I need your perfect drawing. I want you to draw about the question. Number two, I need you to calculate it, do the math. Number three, this is a word question, so I need, Vincent? Sentence. I need sentence here. So I need three things when you read a word question. So drawing. You don't have to be Pikachu about this. Just try your best. And this is what I'm gonna do. In a right triangle. What? Right triangle? Okay, Mr. Akios. Here goes your right triangle. It's a beautiful one. So next, longest side. That's this. This is the longest side. Longest side is 10 meter. 10 meter. And while the shortest side is 2 meter. Looks like this one is the shortest to me. But you can do the other way around. AB never matters, remember. So what is the question? What is the missing side? X. That's my drawing. I just did the first part of the question. Now the math, that I am good at it. Math is... No. I'm talking, that was rude. Not again, please. Okay, math, we're gonna write down the formula first. C square equals A square plus B square. And C is 10. Anyway, you do the math. After you do the math, let's assume you got 8 meter. After the math, you find out 8. Now, I need you to write down a sentence. Sentence that can be copied from the question. Question is, which one is the question? In a right triangle? No. 10 meter wide? No. Where is the question mark? Question mark is right here. So the question is here. What is the missing side? I'm going to say the missing side is, so let's write this down. The missing side is 8 meter. Done. When you do this, this will give you full point at the exam. I'm looking at a drawing, I'm looking at the math you did, and also you are giving me the sentence. You are done.